Here is how you power up the remote controller for the DJI Mavic Air. First, you need to attach the control knobs, and they are conveniently located right underneath these folding arms. So just unfold the arms, grab a control knob, and screw it in just like that. Now, I do recommend that you do this in an area where, just in case you drop one of these, you'll be able to find it again. So not like in a field of tall grass or over the water or something like that, because they are easy to drop. Once you get those screwed in, just take your antennas and open those up just like that. Then the power button is located in the top right hand corner of the controller. You're going to press it once, release it, press it a second time, and hold it till you hear that tone. Now it's going through a startup sequence, and it will be set to attach to your phone or your tablet and then ultimately connect to your drone. To power down, all you need to do is press the power button once and release, press it again and hold it. You'll get that tone and the lights will go off. Fold the antennas back down, unscrew the control knobs, tuck them back in their storage place just like that, and you're done.